Magne Blind, the leader in no-tools magnetic window hardware, brings you a cordless magnetic door blind. Featuring no dangling cords, it is a safer, more convenient alternative. When you get your Magne Blind, make sure you're installing it on a steel door. In order to check that, you can just throw a magnet on it. Yep, that'll work. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and install 3. Pull down the shades, and you're done. And with Magne Blind, you don't even need a cord to adjust these blinds. Magne Blind has over 25 years of trusted service. You're not going to damage your door. There's no tools involved and no dangling cords. You're done in minutes.